Ta-da! OSP Dice Rubber. Great finish system. Okay, let's finish. Okay, Dice Rubber.
Do you know this lure? This is by O.S.P, a Japanese fishing brand created by the famous bass pro Toshinari Namiki. This crazy looking lure is O.S.P Saikoro Rubber, known as a dice rubber in the United States. Hello, this is angler Waki. I am a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. I upload fishing videos every week introducing Japanese fishing trends and techniques. I hope you like my channel. OSP launched this lure 2 years ago. Everyone said, "What the hell is this?" But it quickly proved itself to be very effective and disappeared from the shelves. I think many people had never seen a lure like this before. His finesse fishing style must have also been surprising to many United States bass anglers. Here, I'd like to introduce the history of this lure. This lure is not an OSP original. It was created by Japanese local bass pro Hideaki Tabuchi. He handmade this lure and started selling it in small batches under his own brand, Field Side, back in 2016. Another tournament pro sponsored by OSP used this lure as a tournament secret and wanted to introduce it to the big market. Later, with the original creators' agreement, OSP started manufacturing and selling this lure under their brand. I think this lure is often used for sight fishing, paired with a dropshot rig or a weightless rig. With live sonar becoming common in tournaments, this type of sight fishing lure is gaining popularity. What I have here is the MAXSALT version, which is great for a no-sinker rig. I believe this lure works well for bass feeding on bags and shrimp, though I have no idea how it looks from their eyes. Let's check out fishing footage.
Okay. OSP Saikoro Rubber. Saikoro means a dice in Japanese. Cube plus lots of tentacles. Super unique shaped lure. This one is a MAXSALT version. So it's a salting heavy material version. Cast let it sink to the bottom. Then twitch, twitch, twitch. 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 Whew. Twitch. Too many anglers. Too many. Okay, that's rubber. Okay, size. Nice freaking. Okay. Bye bye.
I used my bait fitness system tackle in this video. But to be honest, a light spinning tackle would be preferable. Due to its shape and tentacles, this lure is not easy to cast long distances. With a bait caster, you may need to be careful to avoid a bird's nest.
Okay. 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 Okay, nice rubber. Yes. Yes. Wow. Over 2 pounds, I think. This is great. Okay. OSP. Nice rubber. Saikoro Rubber. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, it was a good sized fish, OSP Saikoro Rubber made my day. I was so delighted. You can find Dice Rubber at online stores like Tackle Warehouse and Hookup Tackle. If you are interested, give it a try. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and communities. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More to come. See you in the next video. Bye bye.